facing now is fear mongering. Social media has made people afraid of the basic skincare like minoxidil, sunscreens, and even moisturizers. Dr. Sangeet sir, what role do we as dermatologists play in countering this fear and rebuilding trust when patients come influenced by such misinformation?
So it's the most common difficult challenge what we see every day in our clinic. Like every one day, at least one patient comes with some misinformation, and they come to the clinic and they ask all the details like whether sunscreens are safe or not, that does it causes cancer or not, does minoxidil causes more hair fall once we start it. So first of all, we should acknowledge the fear, and that we should not dismiss it. Like we should clearly inform them that these things, as we all studied in our MBBS and post-graduation, so we have the evidence-based medicine. We have to clearly explain calmly to them, and once we clearly explain them, they get the confidence. And also the other thing is like if we are very honest to the patients about the side effects of the products, if they are showing it, and automatically they build the confidence, and automatically they don't rely on the influencers also.
That's a great perspective, sir. And I think you answered this question already. So do you think
one more thing is, if a small misinformation takes million views, why can't a good information can take? Yeah. So we should come out of our space and we should take some time, at least make one video per week. And also all the dermatologists, if the same content is made by all the dermatologists, then definitely the influence cannot combat with us.